Starting and running a business is no easy feat. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and most importantly, motivation. But as an entrepreneur, it's all too easy to lose sight of our goals and to get discouraged. So how can we stay motivated and driven as entrepreneurs? Here are a few tips. First off, set clear goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve can help keep you motivated and focused. Make sure to set both short-term and long-term goals, and break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Step 2, surround yourself with positive people. The people we surround ourselves with can have a huge impact on our motivation and mindset. Seek out mentors, business partners, and colleagues who are supportive and uplifting, and avoid negative influences. Number 3, stay organized and on top of your tasks. When you're overwhelmed with work, it's easy to lose motivation. Stay organized and prioritize your tasks to keep things moving smoothly and to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Step 4, take breaks and recharge. It's important to take breaks and give ourselves time to relax and recharge. This can help us come back to work feeling refreshed and re-energized. Step 5, celebrate your successes. Don't forget to take the time to celebrate your successes, big and small. This can help keep you motivated and give you the confidence to keep going. Those are just a few tips for staying motivated as an entrepreneur. Remember, starting and running a business is a journey, and it's important to stay focused and stay motivated in order to achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, take care.